Hi guys, I'm making a real slime. The other slime it's not actually slime. I think it's clay. I mean, this is a like slime. So hindi ginawa ko to kanina. Pero the clay is already frozen. And I give my friend some, like bestie. P is the first name, like princess. It's a girl. Look at this. I have a small cup, but has no lid. And I put what happened? What if this is look a tiny parang inano ko sa other. It's already frozen. Look, it's floating. Ang kabot pa rin. Look, it's color blue. And yung isa is like purple pero na-coloran is green. Yeah, it's turning into slime. Yung other one pala clay. If you see this video, of course, just like ayan. Oh, slime. I didn't put activator. Just only glue. I use only glue. And a little bit of clay. And ganito ka clay. But there's some stains. If you know of I think you should like something if you don't want to watch this video, just don't ever. Let's see together. If you want to see my videos, go to my account. Before, hindi pa ako nakaka-video na ito kasi I don't know how. At nung mag-video ako sana, try ko nga mag-video. Look. It's so stretchy.